This is a review for the Pet Fusion Cat Scratcher and Lounge. This unit has just arrived in the past couple days and is already a favorite with Tristan here. It's approximately 7 pounds, about 33 inches long, about 10 inches high and 10 inches wide. It seems to be made of very dense cardboard here, which has a very tight weave to it. Hello, Tristan. And we'll just compare that to one of our normal scratchers here, which has a much wider space between the corrugated pieces. This piece in front of us ran about $9 at a local pet supply store, and what we have here with the Pet Fusion Lounger is about 4 to 5 times the surface area easily, and is also reversible when it starts looking a little ratty, which hopefully won't be for a very long time. We're really happy with the shape. We like the little cubby holes for him to climb through, and very pleased with this purchase. Hope you'll enjoy it.
Later. Yeah, scratch. Scratch it. Good kitty. Good girl. Oh, good kitty. Good girl. Oh, you're a good girl. Good kitty.